Check, check. Good evening. Here we are again, looking 40 seconds. Oh my goodness. Okay, good. I can hear. Alright, I better turn the sound off before it feeds back. Ooh, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and we're up. Alright, series of tubes. Okay. Alright, somehow a network packet has got lost and ended up here. It's trying to follow a routing diagram. Uh-oh. The starting point is just off the top of the diagram. Starting at the only line touching the top of the diagram, it must go. Oh, okay. It's so cute. It's so cute. A little packet. Alright. If anybody wants to get in chat, I'm just clicking on the live streaming and I should probably pop that out. Let's try and do it. Help. Oh, I know there's a way. Oh, I should be coding. Done. Pop out chat. There we go. Alright. So I have the chat up. Okay, so if anybody's watching, wants to help me. Alright. Alright, so see, here's my test input. And this is gonna need to read by line. So we're gonna I guess I'll go put that in a file. So we've got a string. That's not what I want. I guess I want get line. If I do this. I know they've done this before. Let's just scan through one of my other programs. Get line, send row. Okay, fair enough. Let's go back to that. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to get a notepad here. Let's think about this. Just looking for my little notepad. This one's full. What the heck's been in the notepad? What else? Alright, well, get lines then. So let's do a vector string of lines, and then do string lines vector. I don't know why this isn't auto-completing. Pardon me. I'm going to push back. So we're going to have a vector of lines from the top down, so the first line should be able to find where we are in X, and then it's going to be just track that around. Lines dot push back L. So I'll print this out. Copy. And I was just going to drag this off real quick. And I've broken Reddit. Stay. Leave. Okay. Copy. And we're going to put that in day_19.ts1. So keep all my test input nice and organized. Okay, there we go. Save that. And we can do, because I don't know how to redirect and debug at the same time, which kind of seems like kind of a bit of a blind spot, I just haven't got around to fixing it. I'm gonna, instead of using cin, I'm gonna use a file. So and I've done this before. I always forget the names of these things because I've been up for like 20 hours, so I'm like kind of tired. It's like an F stream or something. And I don't want the C version, I want C++ as an IF stream. Okay, IF stream, IFS, oh, fair enough. So by default, it should probably read. that. Okay, that's cool. See if it builds. Let's initialize it, incomplete type. Probably need F-stream or something. Let's see what it is. Is it F-stream? F-stream. Cout does not name a type. What? String L. What's wrong with that? Pushback L. Oh, flip, what's wrong with this? Cout is ambiguous. Why do I get that? I've got IOStream. Doesn't like that. IOStream, F-stream. What? Well, rather than mess with this anymore, I'm just going to pipe it in. Getline CNN. Start string L. That's okay. Lines. Vector of string. Cout is ambiguous. What am I doing wrong? Oh, no? Oh. Something crazy. Oh, man. I knew it was something crazy. There we go. That's better. Alright, so click on the terminal. Then we're just going to run this guy. Okay, phew. Okay, wow, that was so dumb. And I've done that before. I've like had some text off, like create another definition of something, and it just shows you the early one. It doesn't show you the second one. Right, okay, so let's get the old adrenaline going. So if there's anybody watching, come into the chat and say hi. if anybody's watching. It says 2 watching. That may be me. I'm going to get my, oh my goodness. Control-C. Day 19 TS2. Okay. That looks decent. Is there a blank line? Okay. That is absolutely insane. But we're going to try it with the low one first. Okay, so what's the actual question? What letters will it see if it follows the path? So I'm sure people have already got this done by now, but alright, so string follow. Let's see if we can get it going here. Let's pass our lines in vector string string lines. So find start. I'm just going to do int row column. So how's this going to work? Is it going to recurse? Seems like an awful lot. We can go forward. I wonder if there's a dead end. Okay. Well, we can try this. If we might end up needing to backtrack. That may be something that we have to put in. So I don't really need to pass this. I can just do find start and then go to the next one. So it's going to be so we're always going down. So do these go like that? Nah, they're commas, aren't they? Okay, so where are we going to start? So we're going to go while lines row column. What's wrong with that? Line, row, line is a row. I hope it's a pipe character. Line row is not equal to pipe. So that gives us our start. X, V, now how do we know when we get to the end? We get to a letter and we go off. So while I'm just going to do while one and break out and just add to the string. While one direction is down. So we're going to do direction. So I'm going to do a function here that returns the next move. So the next move will take this here. So we'll pass where it is, direction, strings, row column where it is, and the direction that it came into that cell from, which we can't, so if we came up, if we came from up into a cell, we've got to turn like right or left. Maybe we can call this every time and just check there's a valid move. That should not be a problem. So next move, and direction, and we'll check if there's a, we'll have to like build a string or something. Okay, so next move, back to a string and lines. So we're going to have to available moves. So at that point, we're going to have the kind of for neighborhood around it. So how are we going to do that? I don't really want to. Maybe we can just find the first move. Or we could return a list of directions if we want to stack them later on. But let's just do so if the direction is not equal to, if the direction is not equal to down, then we should check up. It's not equal to down, then we can go up, so that's going to be r minus 1. And we can always check that, analyze that minus 1 is not equal to space. Then I think it's as simple as that. Return up. So direction we came from is up, and lines is not equal to up, and lines are +1, C is not equal to that, and in turn you can go down. And staying at the same level, C +1, if direction is not equal to left, then we can go right if it's not equal to space. And if the direction is equal to right and not equal to space, down, left, right. Roll call. Wow, got some weird stuff happening on my other window. Okay, follow while one switch next move lines roll call D. Oh yeah. Oops, case. Okay, so we came down on that one, and we're on that one. So we're on the entry one, so we can't go up, left, right. So it should return down, should be good. Let's case down, keep going down, so we don't need to ooh. So we do need to set, why has it not indented? dir equals d. Break. Why don't I just assign d? Why don't I just assign dir? There we go. D equals next move. Don't need that. Alright, d equals next move. Switch. We can switch on the case d. If we're going down, row minus minus break down. Ooh, row plus plus in fact. Case down, up is row minus minus, plus plus minus minus, call plus plus, that's going to be going right, left. Okay, so if lines row call is not like is ASCII. Alright, is greater than or equal to a and string letters. There we go. Letters plus equals that. I'm gonna up, down, left, right, and I'm gonna have like a no direction or neutral for n there for no move, and I'm gonna call no move. Next move, dir is not equal to d. And row is greater than 0 and lines is not equal to, okay, so there's our general format. And and row, because I don't want to index off this. Row is greater than 0 and row is less than lines dot size minus 1 and less than line size is going to be 4. If there's 4 lines and that's indexed to 3, so we've got to check it's less than 2, 0 and 2 if we want to actually move. Oh, well, less than line size. Less than 3, 0, 1, 2 needs to be less than, okay, 4. So if it was 3, okay, I'm right enough. And left, right. So if not equal, if direction is not equal to left, going left, then we can go right if column is less than the length of the line, lines, row dot length minus 1, and it just gets worse and worse. And for this one, its call is greater than 0. Okay. Ooh, and I've got a bug. That should be a left. Alright, if direction is not equal to right, then we can go left. Okay. Stuck. I don't know if that's going to be needed. Help. Call. And that's call as well. Okay, that looks pretty decent. And default is to return no move. I'm going to X that out. Case no move. So that becomes all direction is not equal to no move. Sweet. And then we just need to return headers. String letters equals follow. Oh, that's row column. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, don't need those. Follow lines. $40 minutes. Okay, so quick review of what we've got. Main, will it compile? Hopefully it'll compile. Oops. And function, direction, next move. Okay, so quick review. We've got a next move that finds our next move given a valid location on the board and the direction we came from. We're going to call that repeatedly. Okay, and we've got our input coming from day19.ts1, which is this file, so it should find here. It's going to go down, then it's going to go there. Next move should go up. Oh, okay, so the default, okay, so I hadn't thought of that, which is the default move should be to keep going in a straight line, so I've got to make my direction there. Oh, flip. So it's almost like I need to make two passes over it. You know, I could just. Oh. Alright, I'm just going to brute force this. Switch direction case up. Down move too. Switch direction up. Oh, okay, we're going to keep going up. So I'm just going to repeat this multiple times. This is really horrible. You know, it could just fall through. I'm not going to be cute about this right now. Up, down, so right. So if direction is not equal to left, then we'll keep going right. So we do the opposite one every time. Okay. And then left, so this is going to be, we'll prefer right. So, alright. That should work. Switch direction. Here goes nothing. Stuck at 3-1. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, duplicates the last one unfortunately, but it's 46 minutes and it looks like we might have something that will actually work. Okay, have we got TS2? Yeah. Alright, so I expect this to build. So one very slight glitch that the oops. Oh. GEPY AW TM LK. Yes. Rank 631, which seems to be I've done better. Part 2. The packet is curious how many steps it goes. 6 steps down, 3 steps. Right, so one thing I'm just going to do here is I'm going to fix this. Follow, and we shall do int and steps. So if that is is not equal to no move. I'll just dump it out here. Oops. Oh. See if I'm one high on this. It's 37. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's one more. One, 7, 6, 2, 8. This is very cruel, Eric. Yes! Excellent. There's an off by 1 there at the end that almost put me off. And I was, 6, 2, 8. Oh, man, so that was an easy one for people. Alright, well, with 50 minutes. Got it done inside an hour. So that's not bad. And I'm quite pleased with this code. I think it's alright. And I faffed around for like 20 minutes just at the start. Let's put that back to TS2. Let's just see if I can work out what I did wrong here. And steps plus plus. Oh. Okay. Is there an extra step? No move? Or is... Oh, I don't even know. Whatever. I'm going to assume that's good for my input. Yes, I'm going to put a note here that okay, we call that good. All right, excellent. Thanks a lot, Eric. That was a little bit of an easier puzzle than last night's. Excellent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on one of the remaining Advent of Coding puzzles. Good night.